There's different aspects to developing with the ArcGIS platform, and 10.3 introduces new functionality for developers in all of those aspects. One key aspect is building web applications and developing with our web APIs. 10.3 enhances our existing APIs and introduces new layers for working with, for example, real-time information that is streamed into browsers. It also introduces new visualization capabilities in terms of working with these layers, functionality for working with proportional symbols, functionality for doing things like dot density mapping. All of this in our JavaScript API and in our WebGIS developer model. So that's one aspect of 10.3. Web development gets better, more powerful, easier. Another aspect is not directly related to writing code, but it is related to developing applications and web applications. And that's the introduction of the Web App Builder. And that allows users who are not developers per se to assemble applications, but there's also opportunities for developers to build their own widgets that can be used with Web App Builder. So that's another area that's new at 10.3. 10.3 is also the start of a wave with respect to our mobile applications built using the ArcGIS Runtime. So this wave captures all of the functionality that's flowing out in the platform starting at the Q4 release of ArcGIS, coinciding with 10.3. And that includes working with 3D layers and 3D scenes, working with real-time information. All of that is going to come into our runtimes and allow people to build rich applications on devices. And that's also the technology that Esri uses ourselves in building our mobile applications, including Collector, Explorer, the operations dashboard. And finally, I'd like to talk about development using ArcGIS Pro. ArcGIS Pro is for end users, but developers can also extend Pro with add-ins, and we will be releasing that through 2015, and the initial .NET SDK for Pro will be available in beta to developers at the initial release of Pro.